Today it's my birthday and let's unbox some gift. Any gift I received. First, let's start with this. This is from Ate Kel. Let's open it. Right? Let's open it. There, I open it. And it will. Oh my god! I like this. Lamit mo? Mommy, Mickey Mouse! It's Mickey Mouse. I got a Mickey Mouse shirt.
Kasi bagay yan sa'yo.
Yes.
Pinatawag sa'yo.
Bakit na? I got a Mickey Mouse skirt. Now, let's start for the next gift. Let's start with from Anastasia Leona. This is
Yung
this.
classmate mo yon,
Let's open it.
sinabi ng classmate mo. O, i.
Let's open it. And we got another one.
Ay, paborito mong Barbie.
I got a
Ate Kel, hindi ko kilala yung Ate Kel. Dali na
got a shirt again. But this time it's a shirt.
Oo, saglit.
And we got some jeans. There. Now let's put it inside.
Patingin mo na dito.
Ito regalo niya. And it's time for
Kanino pa galing?
Ate Kel nakalagay.
Ate Kel?
This is from Gwen. This is from Gwen.
Yung nang doon, yung
Ayan, be quiet. Let's open it. I got colors. And that's all. I got colors.
Pag-welcome sa akin. Kanino galing yan?
Gwen.
Nakilala ko kayo kasi lagi po
It's time for
putting of face.
Ellie, my BFF.
Baka bed. Gusto niya talaga. Kahit anong tigil ko, kahit mga
First, I got this.
pupunta kahit anong oras.
Oh, thank you, Ellie. And what did I got? Now, what did I got over here?
Umiritso na kami doon. Diretso doon.
Oh my God! Ang cute!
Tuwa ako kasi yung natuwa ako.
Ayan o.
Sino galing yan?
Kay Ellie sa BFF ko. Gagawa akong keychain. Now,
Dami ah.
my favorite slime.
Sa kanya rin yan? Ay, ang dami niyo.
Oh my gosh! Thank you so much, Ellie.
Ito kanina to galing.
Thank you so much, Ellie.
Alagaan mo sarili mo yan.
Hey,
Anastasia.
you're my BFF.
Dito sa kakain. Gusto, gagawin mo yan.
Now, let's put it back.
Habang po kakain na yan.
Thank you so much, Ellie. I will pay you back.
Mga nalo ka tayo siya. Champion pa rin siya sa akin.
Now, let's put it back.
Natuwa po ako nung narinig ko yung message sa akin ni Mama. Kasi hindi ko aakalain na
This is for
balik na sa isip
from Ellie.
Ito, kanina to. May
na
sale.
natin pinagdaan
Hindi.
dito sa
Kay Gwen.
Carpenters.
Ito.
Saya ko lang na
Kay Gwen
nasa
to.
ganito.
Now, this is from
Para na akong ibang maiisip pa na inspirasyon ko.
kay Ate Jade ata to eh.
Kayo
This is from Ate Jade.
makapay na gagasolina sa
Dami! Yay!
Naging vulnerable yun.
Dalawa yung
Kahit hindi siya masyadong makakasalita. It was his way.
So
Ako
pretty.
naramdaman ko na, it was his way of telling Emma na proud siya. Ramdam na ramdam ko yung friend ko na ni Emma para sa akin.
There's more!
Nag-aalaga ng parang sa wala pa.
Pero tayo fight.
Mamaya.
Kanina yan? Kay ate.
Ate Jade.
Pareha dalawa?
Now that it's time for
Sabi ko, manonood lang tayo. Walang iyakan.
this is from my favorite best friend, Ate Jam.
Sabi niya,
Short.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Yan.
My favorite
Nagulat ako.
color, pink.
Naging matandaan yun. Ginagawa
Oh my gosh, thank you, Ate J. Ay, Ate J. Ate! Thank you, thank you, thank you. I got some
Bigay na
watercolors. Thank you, Ate J. Thank you, Ate Jam, so much if you see this video. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Kasi mga kailangan na pag-ayos. Saka na pa-ayos ko.
Ito yung isa
Now, this is from
wala na rin yung time to dance.
Jaden. Okay, what's that kid again?
Dami-daming
I
mga
hope
dances
it's-
na
Ayusin mo.
may
Galing mo.
I hope it's a toy.
sa'yo. And I'm glad that we're able to tell your story. Nakaka-apoy ng puso and sobrang heartwarming. And marami
She got me a bag. Uli, di ba binigyan ko siya ng bag? Meron pa.
patuloy-tuloy na
This is
paglaban
from
ng passion ni Emma when he fights it. And I see
Kuya Aaron and EJ, a postcard.
And totoo yung sinasabi na iba talaga yung
And
hugot ng mga
A
dance.
letter. Oh, a birthday cake letter.
Sobrang
Meron pa.
motivated.
Nandun yung kulay, ano,
Sa finale
yung
po.
kulay red na
talagang
envelope. Dali.
may pakita
This is from Ethan James.
para
This will
makaisa
die.
na kahit sa ganito kong start ng buhay ay kaya basta magsikap ko.
Sunod ko namang mas ikilalalim ang pinakabatang busy na si Ice.
Siyempre, I'm super excited dahil may kilala niyo na yung mga mahalagang tao sa buhay ko, mama at papa, especially my friends.
Nandito po ako kasi mas gusto ko makilala si Ice outside of the
Okay,
dance
guys.
floor, of course.
Okay,
Si Ice
guys.
kasi siya yung
This is
youngest.
from
Dalawa lang sila.
Zane.
Ayan siya.
Let's see how much money did he give.
Asthmatic siya. Parang dumating sa point na sabi namin, ano kaya yung pwede niya mag-
Zane.
Parang
Bago.
activity. Nag-start kami ng
New
8 years
money.
old siya. Na may nag-approach
Pati nga
sa
yung
amin,
kay
sabi
Kel,
niya na,
pati nga yung sulat ng
ako
Kel.
gusto mag-dance. So doon na nag-start every summer.
Pati nga yung sulat
Sinasama
ng
namin
Kel.
siya sa mga workshops. So from 8 years old hanggang
Thank you for everyone watching this. Bye-bye.